I mean, the essence of my work is to realign the body-mind-spirit system using the voice as the guide, as the soul guide. My vision is actually to open every single channel. I believe that we all are instruments and we're all vessels, and that we all come to this earth with a very open, connected system, that we know what the word heaven on earth means, and that we carry a message and we carry a talent, and that we carry our own calling with us. And if I could give something back to this world, it would be that each and every one of us has a fully functioning voice like we remember it when we were, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 years. And I would love for everyone to experience what it feels like to have their heart and their mind and their inner and outer worlds absolutely connected and feel that presence.
An amazing gift to call you up and know that you care.